Now Rwanda go. We were all tricked. The screen said it was Rwanda that went earlier. It wasn't, it was Kenya. It's Rwanda that go now. And just a reminder of Rwanda Team A, 101.5. That's the time to beat as far as the Rwandans are concerned. First you want to beat your colleagues, then you want to beat the best. Just crossed the 30-second mark for Rwanda SOF team, the second of the Rwanda teams. This looks good. Remember, Team 1 went round last year on the hostage rescue day in 59.3. They're not going to beat that time. Out of the kill house and a sprint towards the finish line. 104.5 for Rwanda B.
Good job, good job.
Not as quick as their A-team colleagues. A little push for the sniper to get him on his way. Were you happy with that, DJ Lee? Elkul says that's how it's done, supporting Rwanda. Cosmo says, hey Joe, please send a hello to the Ministry of Internal Affairs of Kazakhstan. Hello Cosmo. Hello the MOI of Kazakh. Beggy Mays says, is this the Vietnamese team? Yes it is. All targets dispatched. This looks good. This looks good. Can they come home in under a minute? Which anything a minute or under is a super time. Can they cross the line in under a minute? 1:01.8, just missing out. The Vietnamese police special force. They will be up next. Another first-timer team, Qatar. The Joint Special Forces of Qatar, they're coming soon. Let's go Serbia. They're not out yet. And Armand from South Africa says, I want a sub 1 minute, time for the Special Task Force of South Africa. Well, you can want it, Armand, but whether you get it or not, that's going to be down to them. South Africa, the Special Task Force of South Africa last year, round in 1:10. There's the snipers round off for the ICAM Special Suppressive Counter-Terrorism Unit of Greece. Their first time into the kill house in anger in this competition. Oh, that looks good. Remember, they must have their handguns holstered before they're allowed to leave that box. It is a penalty if they don't. Just gone over the 1 minute mark, but this is good. This is a very good time for newcomers. 1:08.3 for the ICAM unit of Greece. Very first appearance in this competition. Rami Nelson says, I'm watching from the Solomon Islands, waiting to see my team. Hello to all of you in the Solomon Islands.